Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So if you are facing problem with the different drivers on your PC, maybe it's Windows 10 or 11, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily update your driver on your laptop PC or desktop PC. So to do that, first of all, open your settings by clicking on this start menu or window. Then write down here device manager or only device. You can see there is an option device manager. Just click on this. Now you are going to see like this list. From here, let's say I want to update my keyboard driver. Just tap on this arrow here. Now just take the cursor here and click on right button from your mouse and just click on this update driver. Now you can see there is two options. One is browse your computer file. By this way you can update or you can install the driver manually. So we are not going to do this. We will click on here search automatically for drivers and make sure you are connected with your internet. So I'm clicking here and it will take few seconds, and you see the base driver for your device is already installed. So in my device it's already installed the latest version. So if it was not the latest version, then it was automatically downloaded and installed all of this automatically. Click on this close and close this, and now make sure that you are restart your PC. So and after restarting your PC you can use your PC with a new experience. So that's it. This is how you can easily update the drivers on your Windows PC or Windows 10 or 11. So if you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.